Today we will explain the basic functions and operation of the IS7 keypad. Also keep in mind the IS7 keypad can be used with the S100. So starting at the top of the display, if you look on the left hand corner, it tells you what screen you're looking at. MON stands for monitor. In this case we're in the monitor display. To the right of that you see a T. The T, in whatever character is in that position, is telling you how the drive is programmed to start. In this case, T is for terminal, so it's programmed to start off a digital input terminal block. After the T and slash you see a K. K, and whatever is in that area is telling the drive how it's being programmed to control the speed of the motor. In this case, the K stands for keypad. So the drive is getting a frequency command from the keypad. Next over is a box with an N in it. That is telling you what the multifunction button is currently programmed to. Right now it's N for none. Next over, it tells you the status of the drive in its current operation. STP is stop, and there's forward, reverse, and trip. Next over on the top is the anytime parameter, which currently tells you the frequency the drive is operating at. And if you look down, the 3 lines of text are programmable, and you can change those to whatever you'd like to change them to if needed. To move through the functions of the display in the keypad, you first need to press the mode button, and it gets you to the parameter group. Then you can go press it again to the trip group, which shows the last 5 faults. Pressing it again goes to the CNF, which is the configuration group, and it's a rotating menu. So the main area to operate the drive in is in the parameter group. In the parameter group there's DRV, BAS for basic, ADV for advanced, CON for control, IN for the inputs, out for the outputs, COM for communication, APP for application, APO for option module, PRT for protection. And then it scrolls around to the DRV group again.